Hey y'all, so here's the next problem, and it's looking a little bit different, but it's still going to be the same idea, right? We got 0.25 over 1/3, and it looks a little bit weird because the one before was just with whole numbers, okay? And we're saying that 0.25 over 1/3 is equal to m over 8. So again, we're just trying to find our value of m. So the way I like to do it again is just let's cross multiply. So I'm going to start here with my 8, and I multiply with 0.25. So I can say that it's the same as 8 times 0.25. Well, that's going to give me 2. Okay? And then here's the weird part, right? The fraction. So make sure that we're taking the entire fraction and we're going to multiply it across with our m. Okay? So we're going to do 1/3 times m, and that gives us 1/3 m. Okay? So let's rearrange it a little bit and set up our new equation. So what we're going to end up with is 1/3 m equals 2. Okay? So I have that 1/3 m equals 2. So I noticed that I'm always writing all sideways. I don't know how to fix that right now, man. I'll figure it out at some point. But again, these two right here are multiplying. We're doing 1/3 times m, and we're trying to solve for m. So we got to do the opposite. And the opposite of multiplication is, you guessed it, it's division. So we're going to divide by 1/3 and divide by 1/3. That gives us 1m, so I'm just going to write m equals. Now this other part looks a little weird because we have a whole number divided by a fraction. And it almost looks like there's two division signs, and because a fraction, this looks like a fraction, but the line means division. But let me rewrite it off to the side so you can kind of get a better idea of what this means. What I'm saying is that I'm taking 2 and I'm going to divide it by 1/3. And when I do that, and I have no problem with y'all using calculators, or if you know the trick to get this, use it, okay? You do you. I know that this is going to be 6. So I can say that m equals 6. Okay? And that's it, okay? So again, we're just practicing this skill so that when we get to the prediction part of our probability unit, it'll go a little bit more smoothly, okay? So please, as always, let me know if you have any questions, any concerns, or whatever, and I'll see you on the next one, all right?